G'day folks, welcome to my channel.
This week folks, we're on the outskirts of Bangkok on a fish farm owned by Nicky's parents. Nicky's a good friend of ours. We just spent a relaxing afternoon visiting the fish farm. It was very hot. But anyway, here's some video clips and some photos of that day out. Cheers. Hope you enjoy.
They tell me these are gung ponds, prawn ponds, and how you tell a prawn pond from a fish pond. Apparently the prawn ponds have got the aerators going all the time. Now we got these strings across the ponds. They're almost invisible, but they keep the birds from eating the prawns, I believe. I'm sitting here, yeah, it's a bit early in the afternoon. It's only about 2:30 and I'm having a whiskey and that. Whiskey and soda. Beautiful. I've succumbed to social pressure to have a drink. God, that's nice. But just have a look at the palm tree, the banana trees here, you know. Have a look at that to sit under. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What are you doing, you old tourist?
Don't know how to use. I'm not sure whether you're supposed to jig it or I just try jigging and it's not doing anything. I'll just bring it in at a reasonable sort of a speed.